Totoo ba na 6 million ang pwede mapag-ibig housing loan ni Pag-ibig member? Answer, totoo friends. Yes, kasi po yan yung nabasa natin sa website ni Pag-ibig. Ang maximum amount na pwede ma-loan ni Pag-ibig member sa housing nila is 6 million po. Take note, maximum amount. This kasi sa guidelines ni Pag-ibig, may apat na factors ang i-consider sa loan approval ng Pag-ibig housing application ni member. Number one, desired loan amount. Number two, actual need. Number three, capacity to pay. And number four, appraisal value ng property. Whichever is lowest po, yan po ang i-approve ni Pag-ibig. For example, desired loan amount is 6 million. Gusto mo ng maximum amount. Actual need is 3 million. Capacity to pay mo based sa net pay po na sinubmit kasi hingian ka ng Pag-ibig na ng payslip, 2 million lang po. And yung appraisal value ng property is 2.5 million. So whichever is lowest sa apat, yan po ang ma-approve. So in your case, capacity to pay is 2 million ang lowest, yan po ang ma-approve ni Pag-ibig. Yan po. So very clear po. Friends, no? Maximum amount 6 million, pero hindi yan siya basis sa loan approval. But tingnan pa ni Pag-ibig kung ano yung lowest amount sa apat na gi-enumerate natin kanina. Alright? So if you're interested sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan, gusto niyo mag-avail, visit Pag-ibig branch po. And qualified kayo niyan if 2 years member na kayo ni Pag-ibig. If wala pang 2 years, pwede po one-time payment na 2 years para maka-avail agad ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.